I'm here with Nat Green, who's the Program Manager for CMAT. Nat, so great to speak to you. How are you?
I'm well, thanks, Lawrence. What about yourself?
Fantastic. Thanks for joining me today. Want to have a great chat about upcoming CMAT 2023 here in New South Wales in Sydney. Tell us about what's changed from last year down in Melbourne.
Well, this year it's actually bigger. Last year we were really encouraged by the enthusiasm and the great feedback we got. And so instead of doing it every 2 years in Melbourne, we're doing it back to back another year. And this time it's going to be here in Sydney at Sydney Olympic Park. So bigger and better, really.
Fantastic. Now, I know that there was a great buzz around last year, and even this year, there's a whole range of different innovations, things like robotics, sustainability. You know, what is CMAT got that is going to help a lot of the warehouse managers, supervisors, especially with some of the challenges that they're facing at the moment?
Yeah, absolutely. CMAT also features everything from warehouse design, which could mean energy efficiency, or it could be where a warehouse is located, such as a micro-fulfillment centre in an urban environment that requires smarter systems. It covers the gamut of anything to do with warehouses.
You're absolutely right, Nat. I think what I love about CMAT, as someone who is passionate about the industry overall, you get everything from traditional warehousing right through to the cool wearables, or robotics, autonomous stuff, and all the software and tech that goes with it. So it doesn't matter how, where you are in the journey as someone who needs to run a warehouse or run a shed, you've got something to offer them as well.
Yeah, absolutely. We have acknowledged this year that there are workforce gaps and there are skills gaps. So there are companies out there that need staff, and there are people out there who are looking to advance their careers or find out what sort of skills that they need to go further in, say, supply chain or logistics or warehousing, anything like that. And this year we will be providing experts and exhibitors, advice, and even some opportunities for people to connect, say, employers to employees.
Wonderful. You've got some wonderful big companies and small companies, but the partnerships are just stronger and stronger, not just with the companies themselves, but the associations you've got as part of that as well.
Yeah, we've got some great partnership events happening as well. We've got lots of bonus sessions, and people can check out the CMAT website for those sessions, and they're free to attend. We're working with the SCLA, we're working with Transport Women Association and a few other associations, and they're adding some extra content and extra special workshops and learning experiences for people that want to come along to CMAT.
Fantastic. So, at Olympic Park, it's a massive space. You're not constrained by any of the conference centres, I should say. So how big is it? I think it was like 3,000 something metres, isn't it?
Yeah, I think in terms of exhibition space alone, it's something like over 3,300 square metres. We've got over 140 exhibitors. So we're taking up the dome at Sydney Olympic Park, plus an extra annex room on top of that. It really is the biggest CMAT that we've ever delivered. It's quite ambitious, but where it's located, it's right near the heartland of advanced manufacturing in Western Sydney, and there's obviously a need for it, and people can get a lot to come down and check it all out. Perfect
location, I think, and the people I speak to, it's so much more accessible. They can come in on a lunch break or take an afternoon off or a morning off from the warehouses and come in and check out what's going on. And it's so close to, or as you say, the heartland of Western Sydney.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, there's plenty of parking and there's plenty of public transport, and it is close by, so there's really nothing stopping people from coming along.
Yep, perfect. Well, the dates are there, 25th, 26th, 27th of July, Olympic Park here in Western Sydney, and it's got so much to offer. There's a full program, full agenda. Congratulations again, Nat, to you and the team, because we're pumped. We're really excited to have Import Export TV covering all this, and look forward to seeing you down there.
Yeah, thanks, Lawrence, and it's great to have you guys involved again.
Thanks, Nat. So we'll see you there.
See you then.